So, welcome. Here now we want to study on the sine and the cosine rules. So, number one, let us start with the sine rule. So, if you have a triangle A, B, and C, where the angle A is subtended by the side A and angle B by side B and angle C by side C. So in this case, the sine rule states that side A divided by the sine of the angle subtended by that side at point A equals to B divided by sine B equals to C divided by sine C. And in the case where we have the triangle circumscribed inside a circle of radius r, then the sine rule continues to state that this ratio is also equals to 2 times the radius. So let us see on the application of the sine rule. Solve triangle JKL given that J is 3.85 centimeters, K is 3.23 centimeters, and the angle subtended by side K is 36 degrees. So you need to form the triangle as given. So we have the triangle JKL, and the side J is 3.85 centimeters, and the side K is 36, and the angle subtended by this side K is 36. So then you are asked to solve the triangle. Here, when you are asked to solve the triangle, it means you find all the unknown sides and angles. So what we need to find is the length L and the angle J and the angle L. So that's what you are required to find. So we are going to use the sine rule to find this. According to this triangle, K over sine K equals to L over sine L equals to J over sine J. And now we have K and we have the angle subtended by K. So this one will help us to find this ratio. So let us find it. 3.23 divided by the sine of that 6 we have. So I have 5.495. So therefore L over sine L equals to J over sine J and equals to this ratio, which actually has the unit centimeters. It is not fully a ratio, but it has units. So we can separate them as this equation and this equation. And from our question, we were given J. which is 3.85 centimeters. So from there we can be able to get the angle J. So we have this equation. So therefore, then J equals to the unit now will cancel, and you will have 0.7. So for us to get J, we will be required to find the sine inverse of 0.7, which we find as shift sine 0.7. Do we find it? So in this triangle diagram, we have found J, which is 44.43 degrees. So therefore, by understanding that the total angles should be 180 degrees, then we can be able to get the angle at L, which will be given as 180 minus 99.57 degrees. Alright. Now after we have the angle at L, we are now remaining with the side L. So using this ratio, we can be able to find the side L by so L would be given by 5.95, 5.495 times the sine of L. So we will have 5.419 centimeters. So up to this point, we have solved the triangle JKL. So we have all the sides. Here is 99.57, and the length L is 5.419. So up to we would have solved the triangle. So in any case, we would have had this triangle circumscribed in this circle, then this ratio will be equal to the twice the radius of the circle. So the radius will be 2.4, that is 2.748 centimeters. So that is the sine rule. Check on our videos for the cosine rule.